Welcome back to Sealed with a Note. I'm Laura, and today we're making this simple automated habit tracker. Each day a new page will appear with the habits you've set available in a checklist. Ticking them off will fill in the progress bar. Let's get started. If you've already created a page for your habit tracker, skip this step. Otherwise, we'll start off by adding a new page. Use the / key on any page in your Notion and select Page. This will open up a new page. I like to customize my page by going to the 3 dots in the top right and selecting Small Text and Full Width. You can also change the font here. Next, name your page. Like most Notion trackers, this centers around a database. Enter a / and type in Gallery. Select Gallery View Database and choose New Empty Database on the pop-up that appears. Then type in a name for your tracker. I like to hide this later on for aesthetics, but it's useful when you have a big Notion. Then go to the database settings by clicking the button next to New. Under Layout are a bunch of appearance settings. For the tracker to display correctly, you must change the card preview to None and toggle Wrap All Properties. I hide the database title and change the card size to small, but these are optional modifications. Then rename the view by right-clicking on it and choosing Rename. I like to only have the icon visible, so I leave the name empty by clicking the spacebar on the keyboard in the name, and then choose an icon I like. Then click the plus next to the current view and add a table view. I name this the same way as the gallery view and toggle Wrap All Columns. Lastly, add a calendar view and name it the same way. Toggle Wrap Page Titles. You can choose to have your calendar display weekly or monthly by clicking Show Calendar As. Return to the gallery view and click the arrow next to New. Choose New Template. Where the yellow banner is at the top of the pop-up, select Repeat Every and choose Day. This will allow Notion to create a new copy of this page every day at midnight, ready for you to fill out. Next, name the page. By using an @ symbol and typing today, you can have the page name automatically update to reflect the day in relation to today. For example, today, yesterday, last Monday. Right-click on Tags and choose Delete Property. Next, add a property and select the formula type. Name it Date, select an icon and choose Edit Formula. This is a simple formula to modify the format of the created date to just show the date, without the time and year. Enter Format Date with an open bracket. Choose Created from the list of properties. Add a comma and space, and then quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks write D and close the quotation marks and brackets. Click Save. Next we'll add in all of our habits we want to track. For the sake of the video, I'll only add 3, but you can add as many as you like. Click Add Property and choose Checkbox. Name the property with the name of your habit and choose an icon. I've named my first habit Gym and selected a weightlifting icon. Repeat this process for each of your habits. You can reorder these properties as you like by clicking and dragging. Once you're done, select Add a Property and choose Formula. Name the property Percentage Bar and click Edit Formula. In the pop-up, enter an open bracket. Then one by one select each habit you've added from the list of properties and enter full stop to number open bracket closed bracket. Then enter a plus and add the next habit the same way. Repeat this for each habit and then close the bracket. Then enter a / for divide and enter the number of habits you have. I'll enter 3 as I have created 3 habits. Click Save. Then click on Number Format and select %. Under decimal places, choose 0. Select Show as Bar and choose a color for the bar to display as I've chosen green. Once this is done, you can exit out of the pop-up. Create a new page by clicking New Page and rename it at Today. You'll only have to do this once, as the tracker will automatically create new pages from today onwards. Then click the database settings beside New and choose Property Visibility. Click the eye beside each of your habits and beside the percentage bar. You can reorder these as you like. Head to the table view and open the same settings. Hide Created by clicking the eye next to it and reorder the rest of the properties. Then modify the width of the columns by dragging the divider. You can also double-click on the divider to have it automatically snap to the smallest width. Open the calendar view and open the same settings. Toggle your habits and the percentage bar. And with this, you've finished creating a simple habit tracker. Each day a new page will be added for you to mark off your habits. The percentage bar will update as you do.